In this tutorial, you'll learn how to efficiently add a new payment method to your Patreon account. Start by opening the Creator settings and selecting the Billing and Payouts option to access your payment and profile information. Then, once you're on this page, scroll down a little. After that, you'll see the Add Payout Method option. Click on it. Next, complete the payment setup by providing important details, such as your bank's location and citizenship status, to ensure payments are processed correctly. Next, scroll down and you'll see the How are you set up option. Here, select I'm an individual, then click Next. After clicking Next, you'll be able to choose and set up your payment method. From here, select PayPal. Then, click Continue to PayPal to proceed. Now, enter your email or mobile number and quickly choose any autofill suggestion to save time during authentication. Click Next to proceed and continue setting up your payment method. To secure your account, enter your password and verify your identity as part of the process. Finally, log in to complete the payment method setup and save your changes. You've successfully learned how to add a payment method on Patreon.